We're gonna be like that guy.
Oh, okay.
You're so sick.
No, you're so sick.
No, you're so sick.
No, you're so sick.
No, you're so sick.
You're so sick.
No, you're so sick.
You're so sick.
Hey, you're so sick.
Hello. Austin, you thirsty?
Yeah.
Okay, you can get some water then. That is just fucking pathetic.
You need to add more power into it, you know.
More power.
Yeah, this ain't doing shit.
Squeeze the hole.
Try again.
So yet?
Try again.
How's it?
Try again.
If you want water, you must just go.
Let's go. It's time to go.
Let's go.
Okay.
What was this?
Let's make it really hot for the residents here. Yeah, hotter. That's better. You're in my spot.
Sorry, first come, first serve, bro. We discussed this last time.
I'm Sheldon Cooper.
Over it again.
I am Sheldon Cooper, and I demand my spot. Please tell the fans what the heck are we doing?
Straight ahead.
The school is burning down.
Okay.
It's like somebody's putting the water. Like, oh, what the fuck? Oh, okay. Where's our advisory?
I don't care.
My name. If he knows I'm here, but I want to go.
Yep, this is so fun.
I know, right? Seriously, you're so sick.
What? No, you're so fake. Why are you calling me fake?
He's so some people. He's so
What?
sick.
You are so fake.
Okay,
You are so sick.
see? He's so sick. Look at that, look at that, look at that.
Stop with the kung fu. No more kung fu. Kung pao chicken. Kung pao chicken.
Is that all students should be in the classroom, and teachers, could you please keep your students in the classroom? There is no danger within the school at this point in time, nor is there likely to be. The danger is in the surrounding neighborhood, but we do need to keep our students safe in our classrooms. I will update you with information as soon as it is available. In the meantime, all students, if you are not currently in a classroom, could you please go to your assigned classroom? Teachers, you do not need to roll down your shutters at this point in time, but could you please ensure that students stay in your classroom?
Guys, Mom.
Hey, this is the police.
Shit, that's where I live.
You are hell late.
No, I'm not.
It's 7 o'clock. Yes, you are.
Oh, I don't get it. What's the difference? Seriously, what do you have to do?
Welcome to Aaron McNeil's Grad Bachelor 2012 Strut.
Beautiful night, but like a fire, something dark to do.
is far away.
Racist.
Yes. Reality, is racist. Yes, you racist bastard.
Jesus.